Over the years, the Interclean Amsterdam Innovation Award has grown to become an internationally recognised prize for innovation in our industry. The award is dedicated to encouraging research and development and places the most innovative products on the market into the spotlight. The awards programme has 4 product categories: machines, components and accessories, equipment and tools for care and safety, e-cleaning, management, training solutions and related products. In 2 selection rounds, the entries from all over the world are tested, judged, demonstrated and discussed. Starting with an online selection, all entries are individually graded by an independent international jury, and consequently, the top 3 per category are nominated. All nominees are invited to present and demonstrate their product during the special jury day in Amsterdam, where the nominated companies give a 30-minute presentation to the jury. After due consideration, the winners are selected. The category winners and overall winner are awarded during the special award ceremony as part of the opening ceremony of Interclean Amsterdam at Rai Amsterdam, the world's most advanced cleaning and hygiene show for cleaning professionals. During this ceremony, a special award is given to the nominated product receiving the most visitors' votes. The overall winner wins the prestigious Amsterdam Innovation Award and enjoys the attention of the global media. Enter the Amsterdam Innovation Award competition to place your product in the spotlight, making your participation even more successful.